Hello friends, this is my first video. In this, we will study about inequalities. It is very important tool used in maths. ये टॉपिक डायरेक्टली जेई के सिलेबस में नहीं दिया हुआ है, बट इसका यूज़ ऑलमोस्ट सारे टॉपिक्स में होता है, जैसे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस एंड सो ऑन. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. आज तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है वो सब इक्वेशंस के बारे में पढ़ा है, बट व्हाट इज़ एन इनइक्वालिटी? इसे समझने के लिए हमें कुछ टॉपिक्स क्लियर होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. नंबर 1 साइंस एंड नंबर 2 इंटरवल्स. ओके देन लेट्स हैव अ क्विक रिव्यू ऑन व्हाट इज साइंस. फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रेटर देन साइन. This is less than sign. This is greater than or equal to sign. And this is less than or equal to sign. होप सो फ्रेंड्स, ये तो आपको समझ में आया. नाउ लेट्स स्टडी व्हाट इज इंटरवल्स. Intervals are of three types: open intervals, closed intervals and half intervals. Open intervals is denoted by open brackets. These are also called first brackets. Now let's understand open intervals through number line. Suppose we are given to plot x greater than 2 on the number line. We draw the number line in this way. Suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and so on up to infinity. This is -1, this is -2, this is -3, it goes till minus infinity. Now we are to plot the points which are greater than 2. First we will mark the point x equal to 2 on the number line. We encircle it in this way. Now all the points which are greater than 2 will be this portion. We darken this portion on the number line. Now using open brackets, we express this as follows: x belongs to open interval 2 to infinity. Note, here we use open bracket because here the point 2 is not included in our solution set. So we use open bracket here. Also for infinity, we always use open bracket because we don't know the value of infinity. Infinity कोई भी वैल्यू ले सकता है, हमें infinity की वैल्यू पता नहीं होती है, तो हम इसे include नहीं करेंगे. Similarly for minus infinity also, we'll always use open bracket. Let's take another example. That is, x is greater than 2 but less than 3. We draw the number line again. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4 to infinity. Also -1, -2 to minus infinity. Okay, now we are given to plot the points which lies between 2 and 3. So we encircle the points 2 and 3 on the number line. Now since it is strictly less than sign, strictly less than 3 and strictly greater than 2, so the points 2 and 3 will not be included in the solution set. So we write it as x belongs to open bracket 2 to 3. Here all the points between the point 2 and 3 will be the solution of this given problem. Okay, hope you understand this concept. Let's move towards closed intervals. Suppose we are given 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. We draw the number line. Again we plot the points on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. -1, -2, -3, so on. Okay. Now here the symbol is less than equal to. Okay. And our points are 2 and 3. So we will encircle the point 2 and point 3 on the number line. Since we are given to plot the region which lies between 2 and 3 and the symbol is less than or equal to, so the region between 2 and 3 will be included along with the points 2 and 3. So we will darken the circle which we made on the points 2 and 3. That is, इसमें 2 and 3 पॉइंट भी इंक्लूड किया जाएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे लेस देन के साथ इक्वलिटी सिंबल भी है. So we write it as x belongs to closed interval 2, 3. Okay, now let's see what is half intervals. Suppose we consider the example x is less than equal to 5. We draw the number line. The 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Similarly, -1, -2 and so on. Okay. Now we encircle the point 5 on the number line. यहाँ हमें 5 और उससे छोटी सारी वैल्यूज, उससे लेस देन सब वैल्यूज को कंसिडर करना है. दैट इज 5 and less than 5 all the numbers. Since here equality sign is also used, so we will darken the circle in this way. So 5 is also included in our solution set. 5 along with all the numbers which are less than 5. That is, hold the number line which is less than 5. We write it as x belongs to -∞, 5 closed. Note, here all the numbers less than 5, we don't know the limit. So we write here -∞. And I have already said that हम हमेशा infinity के पहले open brackets use करेंगे क्योंकि we don't know the value of infinity. Here the point 5 is included in the solution set since it is given here less than or equal to sign. तो हम यहाँ पे close bracket use करेंगे. Friends, see, यहाँ पे एक bracket open bracket है and the other one is closed. That is half open and half closed. This type of intervals are called half intervals. Let's take another example. Say 2 is less than equal to x is less than 3. We draw the number line. Suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, goes till infinity, -1, -2, infinity, -infinity. Okay. Now we encircle the points 2 and 3 on the number line. See friends, here the equality sign is given for 2. Since the equality sign is given, so we darken the point 2 on the number line. Okay, but for 3 there is strictly less than symbol, so it will remain as it is. We will not darken the point 3. That is, our solution set consists of all the numbers lying between 2 and 3, including the point 2 but excluding the point 3. So we will write it as x belongs to, since the point 2 is included, so close bracket 2 comma 3 open bracket, since the point 3 is excluded. Here also one interval is closed and the other is open, so half closed and half open, so it is also an example of half interval. So for half interval, both this type and this types are considered. Okay friends, I think these basic points are clear to you. In the next video, we will learn how to solve inequality problems. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Share it with your friends and ask the doubts in the comment section. Thank you.